In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Telegram profile links. By the end, you'll have a clean, copyable link that lets people open a chat with you instantly without exposing your phone number. First, open Telegram. You can use the mobile app or the web version in your browser. Either works. If you're on your phone, make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen so you can get to your profile settings quickly. Next, head into Settings. On mobile, you'll find Settings at the bottom right of the screen. This is where you manage your account details, including the username that powers your shareable profile link. Now open your profile for editing. On iOS, tap Edit at the top right of your profile screen. On Android, tap your profile details to enter the editing view. You should see fields like your name, bio, and most importantly, your username. Select the username field. This is the key to generating your profile link. If you've already set a username before, you're nearly done. Telegram will show the link that points directly to your chat. If you haven't created one yet, type a unique username that represents you or your brand. Keep it simple, readable, and easy to remember. Telegram will tell you if the username is available. If it's taken, try small variations or add underscores. Remember that anyone with your link can message you, so pick something you're comfortable sharing publicly. Once your username is set, look just below that field. You'll see a line that says something like, "This link opens a chat with you," along with your personal link. Tap that link to bring up options, then choose Copy Link. This copies the full working URL to your clipboard, ready to share. Finally, paste and share your link anywhere you like. You can drop it into a message, add it to your email signature, include it on a website, or put it in your social media bio. Anyone who taps it will land directly in a chat with you on Telegram, which makes connecting fast and secure without revealing your phone number. Quick recap. Open Telegram, go to Settings, enter your profile editing screen, select username, create or confirm a unique one. Tap the link shown below it and copy it. Then paste and share it wherever it's helpful. If you ever want to change or remove your link, just return to the same username field and update it.